Hello, this is my next Executive Series video. Our topic today is Management Representative. Aaron Snyder here from Quality Systems Explained, where we make quality systems simple for you. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. If this is my first video that you've seen, please go back and review the Executive Series Introduction video. In the video description below, you can find an outline of the material and links to any supporting information. In my Executive Series, we go through each quality system element in less than 2 minutes. We have a standard agenda which consists of 4 items. You can see those in the progress bar below. If you stick around to the end of the video, I will give you 3 bonus questions. Questions that will allow you to highlight that you understand the requirements, but also give you some valuable information on your quality management system. Our requirement today comes directly from 820.20b and ISO 1345 section 5.5.2. Management representative in 5 words. Executive owner quality management system. Top management must appoint a management representative. That management representative has 3 key responsibilities. First, they are responsible for implementing an effective quality management system. Second, they need to report on the performance of that quality management system to top management. And then finally, they have to communicate the importance of the regulatory requirements and the quality management system requirements throughout the organization. How do I know the management rep is working? First, you have a clearly identified management representative. It's documented either in the org charts, the quality manual, or their training file. Second, the job description for the management representative captures all the requirements that the management representative has to do. Third, the management rep is reporting on the performance of the quality system to the top management. And then finally, the management rep is communicating the importance of the regulatory requirements and the QMS throughout the organization. How do I know it's not working? Well, first, I don't have a management rep identified. Second, their training file and their job description does not capture the actual roles and responsibilities for the management rep. Third, management rep is not holding management review on a regular basis. And then finally, the management rep is not communicating out throughout the organization the importance of the regulatory requirements. Now, for those 3 bonus questions. First, who is the management rep and how is that documented in the QMS? Second, does the job description for the management representative capture all the responsibilities of the management rep? And then finally, how does the management rep communicate the importance of meeting our regulatory requirements throughout the organization? Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, share, and comment. If you have any questions, please send me an email at qms.jedi@gmail.com. This is Aaron Snyder from Quality Systems Explained. Never stop learning.